Looking for love online can feel like a gamble, and with so many dating apps out there, it's hard to know which ones are worth your time. So today, we're diving into the Eharmony Dating App to see if it's truly a reliable platform for building long-term relationships, or if it's just another overhyped service. Eharmony has been around for years and positions itself as a serious dating app that connects people seeking real, lasting connections, not just casual flings. On the surface, it does appear safe to download and use, with an established brand and active social media presence, and even a real CEO listed publicly, which gives it a sense of legitimacy compared to shady apps that hide behind anonymity. Customer support is fairly accessible too, with phone and online help options that make it easy for users to reach out if they run into trouble. However, despite these positives, there are several red flags you can't ignore. The app currently holds very low user ratings, around 2.7 to 2.8 stars, which signals that many people are unhappy with their experience. The most common complaints revolve around billing and cancellation issues, with some users reporting unexpected charges or difficulty ending their subscriptions, which raises serious concerns about transparency. While Eharmony's long history and brand recognition may make it look trustworthy at first glance, these ongoing complaints reveal that the reality doesn't always match the promises. Some users do find success and meaningful relationships, while others feel frustrated by the costs, cancellation process, and overall experience. So is Eharmony a scam or legit? The truth lies somewhere in the middle. It's not a flat-out scam since it does connect real people, but it also doesn't live up to its perfect match image for many. Whether it's right for you ultimately depends on your patience, budget, and expectations.